I was invited by João from PTOffroad for a quick morning warm-up on a single trail dirt track.
Olá! Salto!
With 259 kilometers on the clock, was a great opportunity to put up a few more kilometers and test suspension behavior. At 74 kilos, I really haven't decided if I'm going to upgrade suspension or not. It was also a great opportunity to learn with João, an amazing Portuguese rider that along some friends runs PTOffroad, one of the best Instagram channels. We were just starting our first lap when my CRF stalled.
Agora tiro, muito cheio. Ver se não cai, que é o mais importante, já que não tenho proteções nenhumas. Ui! A moto foi abaixo. Não sei porquê.
This already happened to me when testing Cesar's CRF300L, and it happened to Cesar himself. I don't know if this is a chronicle problem, but if it happened to you, just leave it in the comments below.
Uou! Porra! Pá, tem algumas coisas difíceis. Tem.
Riding behind the 701, it's pretty obvious how different both suspensions are. The 701 looks planted, works fast, and it's always ready for the next obstacle.
Já começa a perceber.
My suspension is incredibly bumpy on these small loops. I need to keep pushing the rear wheel down, and that is a bit tiring.
Queria ver se não caía. Está a ficar difícil. Segunda? Aquela curva que faço em segunda.
One good thing is that my suspension is very predictable, and after a few laps I already know her behavior. It's also very forgiving, which is a very important detail for adventure riding. After a few laps, seems clear to me that this suspension was designed for comfort, not for speed, which makes a lot of sense in this type of motorcycle.
Oi, ora, tudo. E esta curva disse que há bocado ia cair, não deve estar a faltar muito. Oi. Esta parte. Não vai frente para mim, de vez em quando, senão.
I think I could easily ride this track on my old CB500X rally raid, but I would get more tired and would be impossible to go around a few laps without stopping to rest. The big difference between the CB500X and the 300L is the weight. On a 200 kilo bike, you need to be fit and work harder most of the times in this type of terrain.
Ficar ali bocadinho ao pé do João. Esta parte aqui.
I'm stopping frequently to let the engine cool as I'm still in my braking period.
Vai, João! Outro campeonato.
João made a quick try on the CRF300L. But quickly went back to his Husqvarna 701 long range. I kept running a few laps trying to improve my rhythm. These kind of tracks are perfect to train my skills on the 300L, as it's very technical and always ride at very low speeds, which is great in case of an eventual, most certain, crash.
Acaba sempre assim, já estava aí muito pressa.
Pá, ia dizer isso, está muito bem.
E quase a cair. Ai.
I was going way faster than I should.
E tudo que ela passava para um lado, tu ias para um lado, ela passava para o outro, ias para o outro.
João gave me amazing tips, and it was time for me to go road riding and put some more kilometers on the 300L.